Hi everyone, my name is Miss Jenny. In case you did not know, now you know. I am here at the Merrimack Public Library and we are going to make a very special Three Little Pigs mix. So, Three Little Pigs were chased by a big bad wolf, and we know that one made their house out of straw, one made their house out of sticks, and one made their house out of bricks. So, to be the straw in our mix, I have two different things, and I'm not really sure which one's gonna work better because I picked up these Spud Crunchies at Trader Joe's, and they are potato snacks, and I thought that they were gonna look like potato sticks, but they kind of look like little French fries, which is totally fine. Then we also have some crispy banana ribbons. Just tasted these and they're pretty good. So I have this, and we might use that as the straw, or we might use both. To be the wood, we're going to use some pretzel sticks, and to be the brick, and to add a little sweetness, we are going to use these mega chunks. So these look like little bricks, and they're just chocolate. All right, I'm just gonna eyeball everything, but this is a great recipe to use at home. If you have any little guys, you can give them like a quarter cup or so, and depending on how many kids, you can dump different amounts in. I would love to see what you guys come up with and what you would put in the mix to be the wolf, because I couldn't really think of anything. The best thing that I could really think of were like peanut butter cups, but those don't really mean anything about the wolf. So I was feeling a little stuck. So I would love to see what you guys have. So let's start with the hay or the straw. I think I am going to use both. So I have this big Ziploc bag, but again, if you're doing it at home, maybe you're going to, and I would probably recommend doing it in a big bowl so that everyone can see it. But if you do it in a bag, you'll get to see what we can do too. So I'm just gonna put in, I don't know, like that much. And then I'm gonna take my crispy banana ribbons because they tasted pretty good. And we're gonna put in, I don't know, like that much. Like I said, I'm really not measuring, and I know that that can be pretty frustrating for people, so I would start with like a quarter cup or so of the pretzels and the potato sticks, or for me, I'm using the Spud Crunchies. Then add in the pretzel sticks. Again, about a quarter cup or so. And then the chocolate chunks. So these, yeah, we'll add in like that much, which again, I would say probably a quarter cup. I don't really know. And if you put them in a bag, then you get to hand them off to people. Make sure it's sealed nice and tight, right? And then you put it on its side, and you're gonna go shake, 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 and maybe that's what is happening, because the big bad wolf huffs and he puffs and he blows the house in. And so this, if we look down, looks so different than when we first started. And we just shook and 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 shook. And look at all that. And you can see our straw, you can see our wood, you can see our bricks, and then you have a fun little snack. And if you're using the pretzel sticks from pretty much anywhere but Trader Joe's, they're a little bit darker in color, so it's gonna look a lot better if you're doing this at home without these pretzel sticks. These are just the ones that I happened to get today. So if you make this, I would love to see your version of this. Maybe you use raisins instead of bricks, or maybe you use, I don't know. There are so many different things you can use. This is so great to customize. Maybe you're using raisins, maybe you're using just regular pretzels that kind of have the whoop-de-whoops. Maybe you're using potato chips. I would love to see how you guys make your Three Little Pigs and the Big Bad Wolf house, like trail mix. It's not really a trail mix, it's just kind of a snack. So if you make it, share it with us over on Instagram at Merrimack LIBNH, or over on Facebook, or tweet it out to us. I would love to see it. yeah, that's kind of it. That's all I really have for you guys today. Stay healthy, stay safe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!